Hi. So I'm still reading Al-Isra, the Night Journey, Surah 17, and I read something today which sort of surprised me. Something that on first reading I didn't really fully grasp, and I've since read Al-Isra like 8 times because I love it. And so I was reading it this morning, and this is ayahs 81 through 82. I have my clear Quran, which I love, but it's a little bit more poetic in the study Quran, this one. So I'm going to read from there. Say, truth has come and falsehood has vanished. Truly, falsehood is ever vanishing. And we send down of the Quran that which is a cure and a mercy for the believers, and it increases the wrongdoers in naught but loss. So, increasing the wrongdoers in naught but loss, meaning that the Quran actually increases their wrongdoing. Like, that really surprised me. Like, there are people who read this and I guess it kind of infuriates them or maddens them, or I don't know. But let me read the comments section for that ayah. The Quran is said to be a cure for various ailments of the heart, including ignorance, doubt, hypocrisy, rancor, hatred, and enmity. And it is a mercy insofar as it helps one acquire virtue and perfection of character. The Quran is both mercy and cure for the believers, but it has the opposite effect upon the wrongdoers, whom it increases in naught but loss. So the divine revelation may have the effect of leading those who are wrongdoers even further astray. So maybe what it means is that on some level, if you're doing bad things, you're always going to find a way to justify them. And just like with any holy book, you can use it to justify the actions that you're intent on doing anyway. Some people will read this book and find a book of mercy and love. Other people will read it and say, oh, it's full of violence. And to those people, I would say it's probably the lens through which you're viewing it, your preconceived notions, and your desire to confirm the bad actions and the bad intentions you have in your heart. Allah has said, some people are not going to be convinced. And I think he said to the Prophet, peace be upon him, many times that there are going to be people who don't believe, and you can't let it get to you. But in thinking about why that might be the case, I can only think that their ego is getting in the way. And when they read it, they see the things that they want to see in it. So that's my thoughts. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.